basic requirement is that a medical provider must notify an adult family member 48 hours before performing an abortion. An adult family member is a parent, a grandparent, a step-parent who lives in the home, or a legal guardian. But the important thing to know about that, while there are exceptions, is that for many young women, having a family member notified is equivalent to them being abused, being kicked out of their home, or being forced to carry a pregnancy to term against their will. The ACLU has a hotline, the Illinois Judicial Bypass Coordination Project hotline, that young women can call to learn about the law and its requirements, and also to connect them with an attorney who can take them to court to obtain a waiver of the law's requirements. While we work very hard to make that process as smooth and easy as possible for the young women, there is no denying it is a challenge and a burden to young women already in a dangerous and difficult situation. And that is why we need to stop.
We believe that all people, especially our youth, deserve to have unlimited access to their reproductive health care, abortion services, etc. I think that we get, as in we, I mean those who voted this into law, I think we get caught up in this fantasy world of believing that all our youth have supportive families and come from supportive homes or even have homes, and that is just simply not true. They spoke earlier about how our youth are put out. One of my friends was put out of her home because she was pregnant and told her mother that she wanted to have an abortion. So we need to realize that this hurt, it does more harm than does it help. I also want to talk about some of our other barriers besides P&A. Across the country, there's just a lot of abortion bans and a lot of barriers to access. They just introduced a couple of bills here in February that targets women and our young people and are trying to shut down abortion clinics. We need to keep in mind that this is just another tactic. P&A is another tactic to try to overturn Roe v. Wade, which made abortion legal. Again, this is not what's in the best interest of our youth. We need to continue to have rallies like this, have Stop P&A campaigns, so people can come out and learn why this is so harmful and why it's important that our young people's rights are protected.